Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Madhukar News and Laws. This video is about income tax returns filing new system recently which has been implemented by the central government. E-filing norms of remittances eased. This is the first news you can say on published on 15th June 2021. Mumbai. The Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) has relaxed norms relating to e-filing of norms 15CA, 15CB, which are mandatory prior to making outward remittances. Banks have been asked to accept such forms in physical format up to June 30th. The tax board adds that a facility will be provided in the income tax IT portal to upload these physical forms at a later date for the purpose of generation of document identification number. In its June 14 edition, TOI had front paged a report about this challenge as well as others faced by taxpayers, including India Inc. owing to glitches in the newly launched IT portal. That means the government has launched a newly launched IT portal which has some glitches while uploading the data while in filing the income tax returns. As reported, taxpayers were unable to upload these forms on the newly launched portal. Hence, they were unable to meet the payment schedules. Several corporates had to default on their contractual obligations and face the risk of significant penalties for delayed payments. While Form 15CA is a declaration from the taxpayer that tax has been deducted at the source against payment to the overseas recipient, Form 15CB is a certification from a chartered accountant that the provisions of the relevant tax treaty and IT Act have been complied with. The CBDT had given advance notice that the erstwhile portal would not function for 6 days up to June 6th. Taxpayers didn't expect the new portal to throw up so many glitches, including the inability to register. Amir Patil, chairman of the taxation committee at the Bombay Chartered Accountants Society, stated, while it is good that CBDT has introduced this relaxation for Form 15CA, 15CB, the fact remains that it took them a week to take these steps. In the interim, for 2 weeks since June 1st, remittances have been held up for no fault of taxpayers. Patel added that unfortunately, piecemeal remedial steps are being taken. No action has been taken with regard to the ongoing IT assessments where notices are being emailed to taxpayers to comply within a day or two, even though it is impossible to do so as the new IT portal is non-functional. We certainly expect more from authorities. According to government sources, high-level meetings between the finance minister officials, Infosys, the tech services provider, are likely in the coming days to take stock of the developments in sorting out various difficulties being faced by the taxpayers. This is of the 15th June news. Now we shall move on to a month later, that is 26 July 2021. The news is that government paid rupees 164.5 crore to Infosys for new IT portal, MOS Pankaj Chaudhary. New Delhi, the government paid rupees 164.5 crore to Infosys to build the new income tax e-filing portal between January 2019 and June 2021. Parliament was informed on Monday. The contract for the integrated e-filing and Centralized Processing Center CPC 2.0 project was awarded through an open tender published in Central Public Procurement Portal CPPP to Infosys Limited, the managed service provider on lowest cost basis. Since January 2019 till June 2021, the total amount paid to Infosys is rupees 164.5 crore under this project. Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary said in written reply to Lok Sabha. He said the Union Cabinet on January 16, 2019 gave its approval for this project at an outlay of rupees 4,241.97 crore for a period of 8.5 years, including payout to the managed services provider, MSP, GST, rent, postage, and project management cost. On June 7 this year, the government launched the new income tax e-filing portal as part of the integrated e-filing and centralized processing center 2.0 project. Chaudhary said taxpayers, tax professional and other stakeholders have reported glitches in the functioning of the new portal, issues experienced by taxpayers pertaining to slow functioning of the portal, non-availability of certain functionalities or technical issues in functionalities. Infosys has acknowledged the technical issues in the functional of the portal. The income tax department is continuously engaged in Infosys expedite the resolution of any pending issues. The project is governed by the contract between the Income Tax Department and Infosys Limited in respect to any glitches impacting the terms of conditions of the contract, the minister said. He further said Infosys has informed the technical issues noticed in the functioning of the portal are continuously being resolved. Some of the initial issues experienced by taxpayers regarding slowness of the portal, non-availability of certain functionalities or technical issues in functionalities have been mitigated. The tax department is taking corrective measures through Infosys based on feedback from taxpayers, tax professionals and representatives of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India CIAI, Chaudhary added. That is on 26th of July news. And the third news is up for 25th August 2021. That is today. So will Infosys be able to resolve tax portal glitches by September 15th? New Delhi. With the return filing deadlines looming, will Infosys, the technology vendor for the income tax portal, be able to meet the September 15 deadline fixed by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to provide hassle-free platform? Although the tech giant is yet to comment on this issue, government officials believe that given the multiple issues, it is challenging task and CEO Salil Parekh will have to really get his act together to deliver the promises he gave to the finance minister and her team on Monday. You fix one issue, something else comes up. There seems to be fundamental flaws with the way it has been put together, a government sources told TOI. Another source said that over the weekend the site was unavailable for longer than what was anticipated. This is the fundamental flaws, which I will read it later on. While several issues have been flagged, the growing impatience stems from Infosys' inability to adequately respond to it all over the last 2.5 months. On Monday, Parekh was pulled up after being summoned following the portal's outage over the weekend. By all accounts, the CEO of the company, now valued at $100 billion, appeared to be at unease. The minister is said to have underlined the importance the government attaches to the project and made it clear that Infosys did not seem to understand the enormity of the situation. And finally, I'll go through the fundamental flaws. Officials complained fixing One issue leads to new snag. Weekends maintenance shutdown was longer than expected and triggered fresh concern in government circles. Fundamental flaws require more attention, government officials said. They added that FM did tough talking with the Infi CEO. Perception is in government is that the IT major not adequately responding to fixing of problems. Infi said it has deployed around 750 people on the project, which is worth around rupees 4,000 crores. I repeat this. Infi said it has deployed around 750 people on the project, which is worth around rupees 4,000 crore. With the tax returns deadlines nearing, government want glitches fixed quickly. So this is the video about the e-filing of the income tax returns. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.